After the crash, low voltage worked. Hazard lights on. Doors unlocked. This car isn't equipped with e-call. Rescue and extrication rating acceptable. The crumple zone did a great job. Shotgun worked well. The A pillar deformed but didn't break. The B and C pillar withstood the impact. Structure rating acceptable. The structure didn't collapse, but the roof had some intrusion. The roof crushed the front passenger's neck, causing lethal injury. Poor. It wouldn't make it. The driver was protected well by the seat belt and airbag. It only had minor chest and neck injury. Acceptable. In this test, its overall rating acceptable. 40 miles per hour, 40% frontal offset crash against a deformable barrier. Simulates a crash against other vehicles. This is the IIHS Moderate Overlap Frontal Crash Evaluation, a standard in NCAP assessments. The vehicle is set to the maximum load. Front, 1 dummy. Second row, 2 dummies. If there is third row, 2 dummies. Hazard lights didn't light up. Doors weren't unlocked. No e-call system. There's oil leakage. Rescue and extrication rating poor. In this test, its compartment severely deformed. The crumple zone collapsed. The crash box worked badly. Multiple plastic hinges on the A pillar. The joint between the A and B pillars failed. This door couldn't open. Other doors open normally. Structure rating poor. This car only has 2 airbags. No e-call system. All seat belts have no pretensioning. Front dummy suffered great injury. The driver, in particular, suffered severe neck and chest injury. It wouldn't make it. The front restraint system, poor. Rear dummy suffered serious chest injury. Moderate. No side airbag curtains. The seat belts may cut the neck. The second row restraint system, moderate. In this crash test, its overall rating, poor. 50 miles per hour, 70% rear-end crash by a 1 point per tons test vehicle. Simulates a secondary high-speed rear-ending. The dummy layout and weight distribution remained unchanged. According to the U.S. Federal Regulations 301 and 305, major focuses are fuel and battery leakage, thermal runaway, and structural integrity. In the rear-end crash, Gilly Emgrand's fuel system remained intact. No fuel leakage. The rear axle protected the fuel tank well. Great. But the rear bumper beam, crash box, and longitudinal beam were weak, so the intrusion was massive. Doors couldn't open. As a low-price model, the Emgrand can't afford to use higher-grade steel. The structure is also old. Structure rating poor. In this test, its overall rating is moderate.